again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best massage guns in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's a rich thing.
Number 10. Therabody Theragun Sense. When it's time to unwind for bed, we reach for our Theragun Sense. This massage gun couples moderate 12mm percussive massage with calming breathwork using 5 built-in visually guided routines plus a heart rate sensor. During the day, we choose from back pain, tension relief, lower body recover, and recovery breath. At night, we love that the relaxing sleep prep treatment is only 6 minutes and it puts us into a calm, restful state. The size and shape of the Theragun Sense is easier to hold than the typical massage gun. We like that it's lighter, 1.6 pounds, and quieter too. The LCD screen is clear and makes toggling through the settings a breeze. Most of all, we love the wellness-based design of the Theragun Sense. It definitely alleviates tension and soothes pain points, but it's so much more. Guided breathwork with haptic vibration cues help relax and calm our body and mind. Number 9. Optiv M3. Using a massage gun will not eliminate arthritis, but it can help to make the surrounding muscles stronger for better support to the joints, says Peters. Massaging the surrounding muscle will increase blood flow to that area, and that blood carries nutrients, oxygen, and other things that can help alleviate some of the symptoms of arthritis. The Optiv massage gun is versatile for users of all levels. Our tester said it had all the attachments that we needed for various body parts, and you can use it both on a low setting if you like a more gentle massage or on a higher setting, which is still strong enough for someone who likes deep tissue massage. The device is also easy to use, quiet, and most importantly, effective. We love that the device was lightweight and compact but still delivered powerful percussive therapy that helped to relieve sore and tight muscles. We felt equally safe and comfortable while using the device on the upper and lower body. Number 8. Therabody Theragun Pro 5th Generation. When we experience post-workout soreness, the Theragun Pro 5th Generation offers relief. This is one of the most powerful options in our lineup, and we love that it reaches deep into our tight, achy muscles. Our favorite feature is the 4 visually guided built-in routines: sleep, warm-up, recovery, and Theragun break via LED screen. The massage gun also connects to the Therabody app via Bluetooth for personalized routines. Theragun Pro 5th Generation is equipped with 6 attachments. Each shape targets specific muscle groups, and they're all effective even on the lowest setting. Though a bit weighty at 2.76 pounds, we can massage hard-to-reach areas thanks to the adjustable head. We like that we can take our time and get a thorough session with ample battery life. The Pro 5th Generation is our go-to when we need to decrease muscle soreness, release tension and knots, and increase our mobility and range of motion. Number 7. Hi-Price Hypervolt Go. We found the Hi-Price Hypervolt Go to be whisper quiet. After just one use of the shockingly silent device, we felt relief in our tight leg and back muscles. The massage gun includes 2 interchangeable massage heads and is adjustable for up to 3 speed intensity levels. We felt safe and comfortable using the device. We liked how lightweight the device was and found the handle to be easy to hold and maneuver. A longer battery life and carrying case would have been appreciated, although it's a small and easily portable device. These factors make it less than convenient for on-the-go use. At only 1.5 pounds, the Hypervolt Go still boasts 2.5+ hours of battery life per charge, 3 massage speeds, and comes with 2 adjustable attachments. It's truly fit for your next adventure. Number 6. Recover Fun Mini. For beginners or those on a budget, Recover Fun's mini massage gun is a great option. It's easy to use, conveniently compact, and super budget-friendly. But most importantly, the device delivers real results. We found ourselves reaching for it after workouts, especially the day after when the delayed onset muscle soreness sets in. Like many others on our list, this device has 4 massage head attachments and 4 easily adjustable speed levels. We like this versatility for targeting different muscle groups. We found that the lower speeds were better for smaller muscle groups on the upper body, and the higher speeds did more to break up the tension in the lower body muscles, especially the quads and glutes. The massage gun doesn't come with a carrying case for the device itself or the attachments, but it is rather small and effortlessly lightweight, so this slight inconvenience doesn't decrease overall value. Number 5. Theragun Mini. If you're a runner, you're probably familiar with the delayed onset muscle soreness that happens about 24 to 48 hours after a run. Typically, this unfortunate, uncomfortable sensation will go away on its own after a few days. But if you want to quickly alleviate pain and jump right back into your running routine, a massage gun will help speed up the muscle recovery process, says Bill Peters, DPT, owner of Pro Sports Performance Physical Therapy. While training for a half marathon, our editor used, and greatly appreciated, the Theragun Mini Massager. She felt noticeable relief of tension and tightness after use. The small but strong device was easy to use and provided almost too much intensity at times, so we would have appreciated a lighter setting. We found the intensity to be preferable for use on our thighs and hips, as the sensation on our back was too much. It's important to note that this massage gun only comes with one massage head. Number 4. Toloco Massage Gun. With 15 unique massage heads and 20 adjustable speed levels, the Toloco Massage Gun was an easy pick for the most versatile. We were impressed with the range of intensity. The lower settings are really mild and soothing, and the higher settings are intense without causing too much pressure. The device felt lightweight and easy to maneuver. We were also impressed with how quiet it is. Plus, this massage gun has a carrying case and long-lasting battery life to take it on the go. The Toloco Deep Tissue Massage Gun has a high penetration force of 12 mm up to 3,200 RPM, which effectively relieve muscle fatigue and pain, promote blood circulation, relieve lactic acid, and let you enjoy the comfortable experience brought by Deep Tissue Massage Gun, so as to restore the best state of your body. Number 3. Therabody Theragun Relief. If you suffer from minor aches and pains, the Theragun Relief is for you. It only weighs 1.37 pounds, and the sound is barely audible when it's in use. We like all 3 attachments, standard ball, dampener, and thumb, but would prefer if the standard ball was made of soft foam. Nevertheless, the triangular shape of the Theragun Relief allows us to work at different angles and hit our trouble areas with ease. We find the one-button operation makes it simple to toggle between settings, and the LCD indicator lets us know which setting we're using. The attachments attach and detach easily and provide adequate pressure without the motor stalling. When we experience tension and occasional soreness from moderate exercise and work, this easy-to-use massage gun fits seamlessly into our daily routine. Number 2. H2A Pro Massager. The H2A Pro was an obvious choice for our best overall pick. It's easy to use, highly portable, and extremely effective. The device has 4 massage heads and 5 easily adjustable speed levels, making it great for all users. We were impressed that the massage gun came with 5 pressure modes, which are suitable for people of all levels, from beginners to workout pros. Also helpful for beginners, the massage gun includes an instruction booklet with how-to guides and graphics. We liked that it came with a carrying case for easy transport. Number 1. Therabody Theragun Prime. The Theragun Prime 4th generation has a sleek, attractive design that's lightweight and easy to hold. The ergonomic shape makes it easy to maneuver without tiring out our grip or needing assistance. We love that it loosens our muscles pre-workout and soothes our aches and pains post-workout. Additionally, it relieves tension in our neck and shoulders and aids in recovery from strains. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, this massage gun performs incredibly well and feels durable enough to last for years. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 120 minutes while we enjoy app-guided routines. We like that each of the 4 attachment heads is useful and effective. Even when we push the Prime 4th generation deep into our sore muscles, there is no stalling, a testament to the strength of the whisper quiet motor.